In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Notion Mail step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Notion Mail is a powerful new email experience built by the Notion team, designed to work seamlessly with Google and help you manage conversations, tasks, and workflows in one place. If you've been curious about Notion Mail or wondering how to get started the right way, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Notion Mail and press enter. This will bring up the official Notion Mail page in the search results. You want to make sure you're clicking the official Notion link, so you're getting the real product directly from Notion. Once you see the result that says Notion Mail, go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be taken to the Notion Mail product page. Here, Notion explains what Mail is and how it integrates with your existing workflow. To continue, look for the button that says Get Notion Mail Free. Click on that button to begin the setup process. Notion Mail currently works with Google accounts, so you'll be asked to sign in using your Gmail or Google Workspace account. After clicking Get Notion Mail Free, a Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account you want to use with Notion Mail. During this step, Google will ask you to allow Notion Mail to access certain permissions, such as reading and managing your email. This is required for Notion Mail to function properly. Take a moment to review the permissions, then click Allow to continue. Once you're signed in, Notion Mail will begin setting up your inbox. After the setup finishes, you'll see your email interface inside Notion Mail. Your Gmail messages will be synced automatically, so you don't need to import anything manually. From here, you can start exploring the layout. On the left side, you'll see your inbox and labels, and in the main area, you'll see your email conversations. One of the biggest advantages of Notion Mail is how it helps you stay organized. You can group emails, apply labels, and connect conversations to your Notion workspace. This makes it easy to turn emails into tasks, notes, or follow-ups without switching tools. Try clicking on an email to see the available options, such as tagging, organizing, or linking it to a Notion page. You can also customize how your inbox looks. Notion Mail lets you adjust views so you can focus on what matters most, whether that's unread emails, important conversations, or specific labels. Spend a few minutes exploring the settings so you can tailor the experience to your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully accessed Notion Mail, connected it with your Google account, and learned the basics of how to start using it. As you spend more time with it, you'll discover how powerful it can be when combined with your existing Notion setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.